Nomad as a platform also offers the ability to build one-off, specific purpose API endpoints that you could leverage for a variety of different functionality points. For example, here on this particular site, users have the ability using a data port to export supplier pricing from the ERP system on a scheduled basis or on an automatic basis or on an on-demand basis like I'm showing you here. And so users are able to actually say, I want to see all of my pricing for Chemtronics, for example, and they can actually spawn a real-time download in Excel of all of their pricing for Chemtronics. You can also use Dataport for more visual purposes. You might use Nomad's Dataport system to embed content from your ERP or other Nomad sites onto your website. So in this example here, users can see service requests and actually review those service requests on this site with data coming from their ERP system, and even go through the process of approving or disapproving those service requests online.